Want to earn or give Robux in Roblox? Here's how to play Please Donate step by step. When you enter the game, you have two options. You can donate Robux to others or receive donations yourself. To donate, just walk up to someone's stand and choose the amount you want to give. Click the button and confirm the purchase. That's it. You're technically buying a game pass from them. To receive Robux, you need to set up your own stand. Find an empty one, hold E to claim it, and press E again to edit the text and design. You can also change the booth's appearance by clicking the gear icon. Now, to actually add donation buttons, you need to sell game passes. So, exit the game and go to create.roblox.com. Click on your experience, then go to Associated Items, then Passes, and click Create a Pass. Give it a name, add an image if you want, and click Create Pass. Click your new pass, go to Sales, enable Item for Sale, and set the Robux amount. Save changes and return to the game. Claim your stand again, and the donation buttons will now appear automatically, one for each game pass you created. And that's how to play Please Donate in Roblox. Like and follow for more quick Roblox tutorials that actually help.